Hey everyone, Caleb here for ThemeParkHD, giving you the very best tips and tricks for your enjoyment. Today we're going to be talking about how you can save on your Disney vacation by going to Target. So I know it sounds crazy that you can save money on your Disney vacation by going to Target, but it's true. Target has a red card program that allows you to save 5% off on any purchase you make at Target. Target also sells Disney gift cards. Now these gift cards can be used at any Disney location. So you can use these at Walt Disney World for food, for lodging, for souvenirs. You can use these at Disneyland. You can use these for a Disney cruise. You can also use these in Disney stores. So what's great about this is if you have a red card with Target, you can save 5% on that Disney gift card. Now I know 5% may not sound like a lot, but let me tell you, if you're gonna be going on a Disney vacation, it's gonna add up. I did a rough quote for a trip in August for a family of 4, 2 kids, 2 adults, with a 4-day park ticket with the Disney dining plan. If you were to purchase Disney gift cards to pay for this trip, you would save almost $200. That's $200 worth of savings on your vacation just by buying Disney gift cards. I hope this video is helpful, and I hope that it helps you guys save some money on your next Disney vacation. Be sure to subscribe to ThemeParkHD videos for more tips and tricks.
Hey everybody, just wanted to say thanks for watching. We know you have lots of choices for theme park videos, so we appreciate you making the time for us. If you enjoyed the video, please click the thumbs up button, and if you'd like to see more rides, shows, and attractions, don't forget to subscribe for new videos every week. Thanks.